Make no mistake about it, the squat is the single most important exercise ever discovered by man, and one of the most dangerous. The mafia have a saying, if you can't lose, you can't win. The Chinese understand the situation very well. They have only one symbol, one pictograph, which means opportunity, but it also means danger. The squat provides you with opportunities that are unprecedented by any other exercise you can think of, but it's dangerous as hell. So you have to ask yourself, is the opportunity worth the danger? Done properly, which it seldom is, a barbell squat need not be all that dangerous. But of course, very few people do them properly, so they become dangerous. Done properly, a barbell squat is capable of producing degrees of muscle mass increase that cannot be produced by any other exercise or any other combination of exercises.